In this video, I will be discussing threaded jewellery. Our jewellery is all internally threaded and never externally threaded. This means the thread is on the inside passage rather than on the exposed surface. This is much safer and more hygienic for your jewellery. Here we have our traditional style of internally threaded and our MT line. Our MT has a much longer threading system and is not compatible across the board. Our traditional is a universal fit. Threaded styles do need to be checked for tightness every now and then. With our jewellery, when doing changeovers at home, you should always make sure that you use a taper. By using a taper, you can safely transition your jewellery inside and outside of your piercing location. By attaching the taper, we simply move the jewellery out and we replace a new piece on, and then we slide that back in. This means that you're never stuck trying to find the location of your piercing passage, as well as preventing any fluid from accumulating on the inside, which could then prevent your attachment from being compatible further forward. If you need a taper for changing your jewellery, you can find them at www.cherrycore.com.au in all sizes and in threadless and threaded styles. If you're needing help with your jewellery, always see a piercer. However, by using a taper, you can safely transition your jewellery at home from one piece to another. With gold threads, it's important to note that overuse or not using correctly can damage the thread, as gold is soft. In our traditional styles, our gold jewellery has steel threads on them, which makes it more durable and prevents wear and tear from happening with changing your jewellery over. Our threadless range is taking off and we love it for so many different reasons. However, it's not suitable for all areas of the body, which means our threaded system is still required for some locations and some piercings. If you're partial to a threaded system and you like one of our threadless items, we can custom order that in for you. But we are moving more towards a threadless system as it is both user-friendly and robust.